Hey YouTube, welcome back. I'm Jeremy. I'm your YouTube Snap-on guy. Today we got a lot of neat stuff going on. We're going to set up that Camaro box that we showed you just a couple days ago. And we got to put the bed liner top on it, put the hutch on it, a lot of different stuff. I got my daughter Paige here that was helping out. We have Jeremy, my assistant, and then a friend of mine, Shawn, that shows up. So we can go ahead and get that lifted up and put on there. So we're going to show you that. And then we got to get the truck set up for tomorrow. So a little bit of cleanup stuff. So some behind the scenes. Let's get her rolling. Push it. Actually, any bit that you can jack it up probably helps a little. I suppose it doesn't matter.
Well, I just didn't want to slide, but
oh no, you're right. You're right. We'll just give it a shot. I think one on each side and then one on the back. If you don't want them in a pallet, and then we can grab maybe like on the side and then underneath. We'll get it started, and then you'll be able to go.
right on the bottom.
On the bottom, yeah.
Alright.
And then we'll let the front down first, and then have everybody move their fingers and set the top down.
Sweet.
Ready? Cool.
Everybody's got their fingers.
I got fingers.
And that's successful if you can leave with all the appendages you came with.
Yeah.
Alright. You can cut those. Alright guys, here we got it all set up finally. The 50th anniversary. We got the little caps on down below. The top is on and mounted. This is it. And these all have the GM seal on them. There's some grommets inside, so we can put in here, you know, so guys who run power cords or stereo cords, whatever. That's all set in there. So we got some of the stuff moved around in here. We're still putting tools away. Just work. All right, we got most of this stuff set up. I moved this used box into the box hole there. And we got this cart that we set up. We're gonna set this up as a pre-owned Veris Pro workstation. And right there, we got the tray with the stuff. So we'll get this stuff cleaned up so it looks real good. The unit's real nice, so make a nice home for somebody there. A lot of our promos are already displayed out, so not a whole lot left to do inside of here. We got some work out in the warehouse, some more cleanup, take the cardboard out, stuff like that, so we'll get on that. Hey, a couple other things I did want to mention to you is if you got the double play tickets out there from your dealer, make sure you get them entered in, because this is the last week. March 3rd is the drawing, so get them in if you haven't entered them yet. It's snapon.com/doubleplay. Also, the new catalogs have been hitting the streets, so you should be getting them from your dealer. If you don't, you can call the 800 Snap-on number and they'll send one to you for free of charge. Like 1,300 new things entered into this new catalog. So just a couple notes. Running out of time here, so I didn't get a chance to go over the trailer setup, so we'll make sure to get that coming. And I appreciate you guys watching, all the subscriptions. This is incredible. If you haven't already, I ask you please subscribe. And if you like the video, go ahead and share it. Share it on your Facebook or wherever you'd like. That'd be perfect. I appreciate it. On that note, you guys have a good night.